So today, wait lang. It's currently 11:16. 11:16 na. Agad-agad. Tapos, for today's gala is pupunta kami sa may Bushy Park. So, ayun. Yun ang pupuntahan natin ngayon araw. Hi guys! Andito na kami ngayon sa may Bushy Park. Try ko lagay itong wide angle. May iba ba? May iba rin. Tama ba? Meron naman ata. Ganda! Tignan nyo. Ang lamig. Wait lang. Kita nyo ba? Ganda! Yes. Ang ganda guys, oh. Lalakarin daw namin yan. Si mama, tignan nyo yung outfit niya. Parang nakapambahay lang. Forest walks. Wow, ang ganda! Yung mga flowers sa ilalim ng puno. Ganda! Sabi ni mama, hotel daw to. Hotel daw yan, no? Visitors Center to Forest Walks. Ang ganda, guys. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Maliwanag na naman.
Yeah, so we're at Bushy Park, and this is the old homestead. I don't know, maybe 100 years, 120 years old. And it's been turned into an historic home with catering and dining room. We'll go and have a look inside a little bit later. But for now, we're taking a walk on some of the tracks which go through the bush. And you'll see lots of different birds, or if you don't see them, you'll hear them. So about this time of the year and a little bit later, more like January, February, some of the trees start flowering a little bit, the native trees, and the tuis are really active. But you'll probably also hear or see the saddleback.
Saddleback.
But there's a board up here with photos of the different kinds of birds which you can see here. So we'll look at that shortly. So these are some of the birds which you see
How fantail.
at Bushy Park. You've seen the pukeko at
Yeah.
Lake Virginia. And
The
the
very
tui, we
famous.
get tui at the back of our house.
Ah.
And this is
Ang cute.
these are
Tomtit.
smaller birds here. This here's a famous bird,
Oh.
the Ake, North silent saddleback. It's got this brown saddle on its back, like you have on a horse. You know? Beautiful bird, nice sound. This is a kiraroo, or native pigeon, and they're usually big and fat. They're really big.
May owl.
More pork, yeah.
More pork.
This is another
More
bird.
pork.
Yeah, and then this is another beautiful little bird which they've got feeding stations for just along the track. The hee or stitch.
Hihi. Falcon.
You might see the falcon. It's a hawk,
Ooh.
but not. It doesn't usually fly low. Area to prevent possums and rats.
Oo nga.
That's why the bird life is so prolific. There's no predators.
Guys, ang angas dito. Parang literal na mag-a-adventure sa forest. Pati mga puno, may mga pangapangalan sila. Tingnan nyo, oh. Parang pwede ka dito mag-shoot ng ano. Wildlife content eh, no? Tingnan nyo. See? Pero walang ano dito, guys. Walang mga ahas, mga ganun. Parang may nakita nga akong sign dati, no predators ata dito. Kaya ganun. Grabe. Ayan, no, kahit yung mga puno, mga halaman dito, may mga pangalan. Akakura. Ayan, no. Flower ata. Grabe. Ratanui Loop Track. Ang ganda. Maganda mag-nature ano dito. Kapag mahilig ka sa nature, dito ka pumunta talaga. Ganda. Medyo nakakatakot din. Kasi gubat talaga. Oo. Ay! May feeding station dito yung mga hihi. Stitch bird. Pero wala sila. Yeah. Grabe oh. Kita nyo walang ahas dyan. Pag sa Pinas yan guys, yung mga ganito kasusukal na lugar, may mga ahas yan, imposibleng wala. Oh, walang ahas dito talaga. Oh? Oh? Ingay mo ma. Pero grabe. Rinig nyo yung ano. Sounds of nature. Sounds of nature. Rinig nyo yung mga birds. Ang relaxing. Na nakakatakot at the same time. Kasi ang sukal talaga, like legit guys. Wala kang daanan dito. Talagang parang sinusundan mo na lang yung mga ano eh. Tingnan nyo naman kasi yung daan. Oh. Oh. Ang daanan yan oh. Oo, tsaka guys, ang lamig, ang presko dito sa loob ng gubat. Ito mag-shooting yung mga horror movie. Kita nyo, oh. Oo. Tayo, ayan. Ang sarap pakinggan ng mga tunog ng birds. Hi guys!
Hey! Going down to see the big rata tree, which is called rata nui. Nui is the Maori for big, so rata big.
Yan, wala kayong dalang water.
It's okay.
Hingal kabayo tayo ngayon. Ayun po, hingal kabayo kami.
Tingnan mo doon.
We are taking a rest
Yeah.
because these girls are exhausted.
Oh! Only the girls, huh?
Yeah, no, I need to sit down too.
Guys, nawawala na kami dito sa kagubatan. Going up na naman. Hey guys. Nawawala na kami. Biruin mo, saan ka dumaan dyan kanina? Kung saan na tayo dinala nitong matanda na to. Sa wakas, meron ng gate. May gate na. Nakakalabas na kami ng jungle. Mag-i-snack tayo dito.
after namin dun sa sa forest, nag-snack kami sa homestead. And ang sarap ng food. Di ko na na-videohan. Kasi si mama, natataranta siya. Hindi niya mahanap yung kanyang wallet. Baka daw nawala sa forest. Yun yung iniisip niya. Yun yung iniisip niya. Kaya, ayun, nataranta na siya. Hindi niya na alam kung saan niya nailagay, kung nasa bahay ba o nasa bag niya, nalaglag, hindi niya alam. Kaya, ayun, di na ako nakapag-vlog ng pagkain. Tsaka ano lang siya, like slice lang naman ng cake. Pero ang sarap. Ang sarap yung carrot cake, tsaka custard cake. Custard slice pala. Sarap siya. And pauwi na kami. Dahil i-check ni mama kung andun ba ang kanyang wallet.